In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Additional Settings. Now Keyboard and Input Method. Manage Keyboards and the Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction and use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that, as you can see, my suggestion strip is now visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!